nakatingin sa salamin. Ang dami nang nagbago sa'kin. Di na ganon kabigat, tumama na ang lahat. Nakahanap na ng katapat. Di ko inakala na may makikilala sa di inaasahang pagkakataon.
Louie, it's me. We've been waiting for this moment for the past year. And I'm so grateful we chose to spend our engagement traveling, learning, and getting to know each other's families. Last year, when we surrendered our lives to Christ and chose not to lean on our own understanding, everything fell into place. Though it wasn't always easy, there were challenges, but somehow everything became beautifully, amazingly right. There are many things I'm still figuring out, but marrying you is one thing I'm completely sure of. And today isn't about anything grand. We will not please any people, but it's about us, our God, our vows, and the witnesses we chose to share this sacred moment with. Let's enjoy this dream that's finally becoming our reality. I can't wait to marry you, Louie.
Napapangiti na naman ako at ikaw ang dahilan nito. Bumabalik ang kulay ng aking mundo. Napapangiti na naman ako. Napapangiti na naman ako at ikaw ang dahilan nito. Bumabalik ang kulay ng aking mundo. Napapangiti na naman ako. Minsan na rin akong sumuko, sa lungkot din ako'y nalunod. Kalimutan ng nakaraan, meron ng bagong dahilan. Habang buhay kang sasamahan. Wow, di ko inakala na may makikilala.
I am the proudest person this afternoon. Aside from, you two guys. Kasi, for 8 years, I've been dreaming to see this day. I love Louie as a brother. And, alam mo, minsan yung mga ngarap ka hindi para sa sarili mo. Yung pangarap mo na gusto ko tong lalaking to, tong kaibigan kong to, makatagpo ng matinong babae. Gusto ko, someday, kasi I'm blessed. Blessed ako with my wife, with our family. Louie is a blessed person with his family. The only thing that was missing back then was the right woman. Health-wise, financially-wise, you will be well because you have the right woman behind you and in front of you. For every successful man, bro, there's a woman behind. I had that. That's my wife. Now, bro, you had yours. You had yours.
It's not me against you. It's you and me against the problem. We we love you and lagi kayo magmahal.
Then I knew from the start, Louie has really captured your heart. You've become a little calmer. No need to worry any longer. Love found you gently, like an answered prayer that is so timely. As your sister, I watched you bloom. Now here you are beside your groom. Beside ko na rin na. May your love always choose patience, of trust, and grace when the days move too fast. May your home be filled with warmth, not fight, with faith, forgiveness, and light. And may loving each other always feel like coming home every night. Love you always, my sister, forever. Na nakahanap na ng kanyang forever. Love you always, love you.
From that day na nakita namin kasama niya si Jen, parang he's more focused, he's more, mas nakakamiti siya. Hindi namin kailangan tingnan yung orasan namin pagkasama siya. Every time na sa grupo namin, siya lang po yung marunong mag-drive. Every time na kailangan namin, he's always there. And Jen always supports him. So, I think sila ay blessing for each other.
I'm happy na it ended up into a marriage. Super happy for you both. Tapos, I'm happy as well kasi before you have decided na maging official couple na ng marriage, you also have strengthened your faith in God. Kaya dalawa niyo yung lagi nag-church, ganyan. And actually, kasama din namin sila ikaw pa nga minsan nag-invite sa akin dati din mag-church. So I'm very happy sa inyo.
Love Jen just as Christ loved the church and gave up himself for her to make her holy, cleansing her by the washing with water through the word. What does this mean? Love Jen just like as Christ loved the church. It means like the way Jesus Christ died for us, for all of us. That should be the same kind of love that you're going to give to Jen, the sacrifice. Na kahit na magkaroon ng problem, troubles in your relationship, andyan ka pa rin, mahal mo pa rin siya despite all the honored and blessed to witness Tito Louie and Jen's love kasi nakita ko parehas, hindi lang sila nag-grow together, but both of them, they learned to know Jesus Christ. And I know, no matter what, ano man mangyari sa relationship nila, malalagpasan nila to kasi God is the center of their relationship. And kung meron mang mangyari, alam ni Tito Louie and alam ni Jen kung sino tatakbuhan nila. And hindi yung mga friends na but Jesus Christ. And ayun lang, fight for each other just as like Jesus Christ fight for us.
Napapangiti na naman